Nice.
Aww. There we go. Look at that.
Did you have it? Did you
One
get
of
it?
the few advantages of not having trees from our balcony.
Well, from the middle of the trees.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Singapore.
It's been too late though, but still okay.
Yeah. Wow. Red and white for Singapore.
It's just the two color, right? No, there's a three
A little
color.
bit of green.
Yeah, it's a red, white, and green.
Wow.
Is it nice?
Let's see if it came out.
All done? No, it's not yet. It's still there.
Orange.
Can you imagine that from our balcony can see the Marina
Only
Bay?
recently, only since the tree came down.
Yeah. Can you imagine that can see the Marina Bay Sands here in our
It's
balcony?
amazing. Wow.
Fireworks.
Oh yeah, Lani, it's today they're celebrating.
I think today or tomorrow.
Maybe oh, look at that, that's pretty. Maybe the parade's tomorrow. That was blue then.
Yeah. It looks nice. Since
I
the
like
big
those
trees fall down from there,
Yeah.
and
Look at
then the nice view of it again.
Yeah, no, I quite like the view actually. I like those sparkly ones. The ones that sort of shimmer.
At first, when the big trees fall, then you really
I was
feel so
very
sad.
upset, yeah. But at least we get to see the fireworks.
Yeah.
Wow. Wonder if there's many people down at Marina Bay.
Is that in Marina Bay Sands or?
I'm not sure
Marina
where
Bay.
the venue is. I guess it must be.
I think at the Marina Bay. Oh no. Yeah, Marina Bay.
Well, I'm glad they got a nice night for it, Lani.
Yeah.
Yay!
That's it? Still?
That looks like the finale to me.
Yeah, I think that's the last one. Is it just started when you see it?
Yeah, I just suddenly heard the bang and I thought, is that thunder?
Oh my God.
In which case, that's the end of the barbecue. Or is it fireworks?
You just told me that they're having a barbecue there downstairs, so I thought that the sound is from there.
Ella told you, did she? There we go.